What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and thank you for clicking on this video. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'm not going to talk too much as an intro because I do that too much, but let's get into it. Alright, so these are some things that you do not need to do as a new YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, because these won't work. Alright, 1, do not sub for sub. And if you don't know what sub for sub means, that basically means do not do the subscribe for subscribe. Sub to my channel, not sub to your channel. It doesn't work because 9 times out of 10, they're gonna unsubscribe from your channel. And then you're back to where you started. You're back to freaking 1 subscriber. Meanwhile, you're subscribed to 50 new channels. Don't do sub for sub. And plus, like, you're not gonna have any video views if you do. If they actually decide to stay subscribed to your channel, they're not going to watch your videos. They're not. It sucks, but they're not. And you just wasted your time, basically. Don't sub for sub. It's trash. I'm telling you, it's trash. One thing you don't want to do is compare yourself to other YouTubers or other people on YouTube. Well, that is other YouTubers. Duh. Don't do that because everybody's journey is different. All right. The girl video you just watched, she probably just started YouTube a month ago when she already got 50,000 subscribers. She probably had a strong Instagram, Twitter following already and decided to hop on YouTube. Or maybe her first video just went viral and she big. Don't compare yourself to other YouTubers because you're just going to end up hating doing YouTube. You are yourself. Stay in your lane. Focus on your judge. We all tend to get a little discouraged when you work so hard on a video and the video only gets 1 view, 0 likes. It's okay. We've all been there. Just keep putting out your bomb content because I promise you one of your videos are going to kick off. Like a video that I didn't expect to do good was my dyeing my dirty Vans video, which if you want to watch it, it'll be here. The video did really well and I thought the video was trash, but it did really good. Like the shoes didn't even turn out how I wanted them to turn out, and that video got over 50,000 watches right now. It got over 50,000 views right now. You never know which video is going to be the video that's going to kick off, so you want to make sure you're consistent. That way if a video do kick off, they come to your channel and see that, oh, she's actually posting stuff, and they may subscribe. So don't get discouraged. Just keep putting out bomb content, and those 1 views will turn into 100K views in no time. Right? Don't go spamming other channels. It's annoying. People hate it. Okay? Don't go watch your favorite YouTuber's video and then comment underneath, oh my gosh, haha, so cute. By the way, guys, I'm new to YouTube and I just posted a video, blah blah blah. Subscribe to me. People hate that. They're not going to subscribe to you. Save yourself some time and just don't do it. All right, so those are my don'ts. Now, my do's. Do be consistent. I kind of touched on this earlier, but consistency is key. If people see that you're consistent, they're going to want to subscribe to your channel. Proven fact. If you're consistent, your videos are going to pop up more often on people's what page is that? It's not the explore page. That one page where like all the random videos be. Yeah, your video may pop up on there. Your video might pop up in the next recommended videos, you know. Just be promo yourself. And I mean, promo yourself on all your social medias. Tell your friends and family. So on your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook, what else is there? Twitch? I don't know what that is. Tumblr, is that still a thing? Your OnlyFans account. Promo yourself. Because if you don't promo yourself, no one else will, unless you got a mama like mine who gonna promo you. Even if you don't promo you, promo yourself, because that's the only way you're gonna get started, I guess you could say, on YouTube. So yeah, don't be scared of what somebody's gonna say. We all have those fears. Just do it. Either they subscribe or they don't. That's not beat yourself up over not having certain things. So if you don't have a camera, a fancy camera to film on, it don't matter. I started filming on an iPhone 6. I didn't have studio lights. I used a lamp and I bought an $11 tripod off Amazon. Now I'm filming on my iPhone 11 because that's what I'm comfortable with, because I don't know how to use film quality videos on this baby yet. So we're working on it to move on to this, because I don't like to waste my money. But yeah, film with what you have, do what you have. Other things will come eventually. So if you're having like a blog on video ideas and content that you can put out, look at videos that's trending in whatever field you plan on going into. So let's say I want to put out a fashion video, but I'm just having like a really bad blog. See what's trending. So right now I can tell you that spring lookbooks are trending because we're going into spring. Post a spring lookbook. Look at lookbooks that your favorite fashion YouTuber has posted. Do not steal, but use it as inspiration on what you could do next. Just kind of start by making a list of videos that you want to do. It'll help you when you're having a block to go look at that list and just kind of mark off. Okay? Be yourself. There's only one version of you. Alright, so do not try to be like Jackie Aina or Arnell or Alyssa Ashley or Raven Elise or Time and Infamous, Alyssa Forever. Be yourself. There's only one you. There's already them. People already subscribed to their channel for them. Let people subscribe to your channel for you being you, because if you start acting like somebody else, then you have to continue being that somebody else, and yeah, you won't have genuine subscribers. You won't be happy. It's just gonna be a hot mess, and your channel is probably gonna fail. So just be yourself and good things will come. Good vibes save lives, you know? And yeah, those are my tips and tricks for new and small YouTubers. If you have any more tips and tricks, leave them down below. If you have a YouTube video, like a YouTube channel, that's fashion, beauty, vlogs, lifestyle related, drop it down below and I'll check it out and subscribe, you know. But yeah, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.